Hello. If you've come to this video, you've had the same problem, as many others, made in Germany quality has disappointed. But don't be sad. I'll show you how to repair and fix Beyerdynamic slider cover, using a much more durable 3D printed replacement headband plastic cover kit. This part is identical to the Beyerdynamic DT770, DT880, DT990 Pro and other models for which it is the same. To repair your favorite headphones, you have three options. The first option is to buy the same non-durable plastic for over $30 from manufacturer. The second option, if you have a 3D printer, find in Google Beyerdynamic replacement slider cover side headband 3D model file, and print the parts. Third option, if you don't have a 3D printer, email me and for a fee, I will send you this new replacement kit, which is almost unbreakable, when compared to the Beyerdynamic stock covers. Once you have got the replacement plastic kit, unscrew the two screws. Depending on which model, there can be either Phillips or Torx screws. Remove both old plastics, screw the screws into the new plastics. Then with the pins on top, put the plastic over the headphones. You need to put the headband metal brackets on the screws, also put the slider locking part in place. Then take the other slider cover, which has the right letter on it. This is the right side, so the letter R, press them together. Don't worry about the big gap, it will close when you screw the screws in. Screw them together tightly, but with feeling. The new replacement kit is even tighter, which is good news. I can promise you that these replacement slider covers will last much longer, as I've sent dozens of these to Tech Screw channel followers and none have broken yet. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. If you would like to order some of these replacement slider kits, then email me. You can find the email on the Tech Screw channel about tab. Good luck.